The RILAND 200A stick welder is a versatile machine that offers reliable performance with its dual voltage capability, making it suitable for both home projects and professional repairs. Equipped with a digital display and synergic control, this welder ensures precise current control and stable arc performance, even in challenging low-voltage environments. Its rugged construction features a full copper transformer and shockproof housing, enhancing durability and ensuring long-lasting use both indoors and outdoors. This welder is ready to use straight out of the box, as it comes with essential accessories such as a welding helmet and reinforced grounding clamp, allowing for immediate operation. With a detailed manual and clear instructions, beginners will find this welder easy to set up and use, making it a user-friendly option for those new to welding. Covered by a 2-year warranty and backed by responsive customer support, the RILAND 200A stick welder provides peace of mind and assistance when needed.